Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? So I'm back with the weekly zodiac sign guidance. Let's start with Aries. What is there? From Tarot, it is like you are going to get some justice, be it personal or professional life. Or if you are just fighting for some legal issues or something, then you might get some justice. It can get a good result. And if you are looking for some marriage, arranged marriage, court marriage, that can also happen. And Baba's guidance, don't believe everything that you think, for it's not reality. So have a close eye on the reality or something, real things, and within few months your situation is going to change. So have faith on universe, something nice is going to happen. Taurus, this week you will be working too hard and you will be too focused on your work, and you want to build your own business and career path or something. You are working towards all the pentacles. You want to build your empire, and Taurans, of course, they are the sign for the luxury and everything. So they want everything in a nice manner. So everything will fall in place, Taurus, very soon. Channel, I make you a channel of my work. So Baba is saying whatever you are doing, it's his wish, and just keep doing your work. You will get some success. Forgiveness, if you can forgive someone in your life, that would be a great soul level forgiveness you can practice as well. If you know Reiki or any other affirmation, so you can do every day the meditation, chanting, forgiveness exercises. Gemini, you are in a position you want to run away from any kind of situation right now, whatever personal and professional life you are going through. You are not happy wherever you are right now, and you are feeling like you are stuck, and now you should just run away from this place. Please hold on, something better will come up within 7 days or 7 weeks time or 7 months time. So as per the karmas, everything will happen. And sufferings, greatest souls get evolved after a lot of suffering. So whatever sufferings you are going through, it's all his plan, and go through silently and everything will fall in place very soon. Be assertive. Be too good is not the answer. You have to be assertive. So do it everything a little diplomatically this week. So have patience, moreover. Cancer, you will be having two offers, or you want to create some balance between your personal and professional life, and you are not able to do it. You are in two minds, which one is your priority, you don't know that. So you want to create some balance this week. So that is also in the can happen. You are the universe. Explore the universe within you. So whatever we have inside us, that is only our universe, and you have to explore that thing, and let go of your fears or angers, resentment, anything. So if you are going through a breakup situation, you have to let go of few people, and you have to move forward in your life. So if any job is not serving your purpose, you have to let it go and you have to move on. So that is the angel's guidance for this week. Leo, you will be in your strength this week, and you will be feeling lots of balanced energy in your life. So it's a very good time for you, and after 8 days, some better time you can expect in your life. Three C's: cut, clear, cancel. Cut, clear, cleans all the memories and upsets of the past. Don't hold on any grudges, any kind of fear, anxiety, any failures, anything. Everything is part and parcel of life. You have to move on. You have to forgive everyone. And if forgiveness doesn't mean that whoever has done bad thing or not a good thing with you, you have to go and just get along with that person. You can do it in a soul level, and you can move ahead. Wait some time for for a good time to happen, because this is the period, the waiting games are going on, be it personal, professional life. If anyone wants to get married also, there is some waiting period. If anyone wants a job or business offer or something, there is a waiting period. So, but something great is going to happen within 8 days. You are getting into your strength, own strength, and that's a nice energy. Virgo, someone will offer you an offer, business offer or personal offer, anything. So that might not be a stable one. Please judge it and see get all the information before you get into any kind of job or business or any marriage kind of thing. And Angel is also saying that unlikely that something. I mean, say whatever offer is coming, it is not that it will be very good for you. It is very unlikely. So that's why you have to be very cautious. Whatever the offers are coming, you have to choose it well. All is well at your end. Baba is saying that one of the ascended masters is guiding and protecting you. So Virgo means like have patience and be careful whatever you are choosing for your life or personal professional life. So you have to be very careful on that area. Libra, you are going to be in a very stable kind of position in this week, with personal, professional life. You will be feeling like that I have everything, and right now I'm like you will be feeling like you are I mean it's like a very authoritative kind of person right now, abundant and many other stuffs, many growth you can expect, be it business or personal growth. So it's a very nice energy. Stay in this kind of energy only. Baba is saying you are same as me. I am closest to those who have empty pockets, hungry stomachs, and broken hearts. So Baba is saying that, and if you believe, you can achieve anything. So please be in this energy and be confident, and you are going to get everything, Libra. Scorpio, universe has very good offer for you. Whatever you are manifesting, it is going to you are going to get it, and it going to happen next month onwards only. I mean, it's like be it business or personal growth, anything you can get it. So it's a very nice kind of energy. Karma is a cause and effect and not punishment. Don't tell yourself bar like this is my karmas and I have to deal with it, this, that. No, it is nothing like that way. We all have a certain karmic account to settle for this life. Take action towards your plans and all. Whatever you are planning right now, be it professional or personally, you have to take action, and something great is going to happen in your life. That universe is working around it. Sagittarius, you will be in a very good position this week at least. I mean, it's like be it personal, professional, money wise, job offer, business offer, marriage offer, everything. Abundant life you can get it, and next 10 months will be good for you guys. Baba is saying balance in energy, will curb oscillation, and do some breathing exercises, meditation, chanting, prayers, all those things you can do. Do not stop again. Angel is saying don't stop. Okay, so you move ahead, you go ahead with your whatever plans you have, and be confident in whatever you are doing right now. Capricorn, you are expecting some messages or someone is coming towards you, some offers, be it marriage offer or business offer or anything. Very good time is coming up within 8 week times or within 8 days. You can meet your potential life partner, or new business offer can come up, or new job offer might come up. So it's a very good time ahead, and you will be loving it. Marriage can also get fixed, whoever is looking for that. And soul journey, you will be shown the path, but you have to work on it all alone. Baba is guiding you, but it's your own soul journey, so you have to be brave. and you have to do this thing and choose a new direction. See, means like the offers, whatever it is coming, you have to grab that thing and you have to confidently move ahead. So new thing, new partner, new direction, new job, anything you can expect during this time period, like whatever the next 8 days or 14 days time, you can get many stuffs in your life. Many positive changes you can expect. Aquarius, you will be also getting some offers in your life, business, job, whatever you are manifesting, it is going to happen. And within 6 days time there will be something good news also coming on the way. But Baba is saying vows and promises, fulfill the vows and promises made by you and your family to any Devi Mata, means like if you have done any mannat or any vows, promises, you have to fulfill that thing. Otherwise, there will be some obstacles. This thing will not happen. So be careful about it. Not the right time. Right now, it is not the right time, might be, but it is coming up. Within 6 days or 6 months' time, there will be some good thing is going to happen for Aquarius. Pisces, you are fighting a lot, maybe in the family or in a business section. So many conflicts are happening. So be cool and calm. Within 5 months, 5 days time, you can have some good time ahead. Harmony, let there be harmony of mind, body, and soul. This will create balance of all elements. See, means like you have to create, you have to balance something in your life, personal, professional life, and there should be harmony also in future. And meditation brings answer. Do lots of meditation, prayers, and inner work. It will help you a lot. Overall, for every zodiac sign, I would request that you guys should do lots of meditation, prayers. All those positive things creates positive vibes in our life. So be hopeful and everything will fall in place. Whoever is upset. So this is it for this week. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.